श्री सीता लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न हनुमत समेत श्री रघुनंदन परब्रह्मणे नमः। अस्मत् गुरुभ्यो नमः। राम राम। Now, having observed, having diagnosed that your child is having some problem, first, as I have told you, don't get depressed. What next we have to do? Let us now watch that. When it is diagnosed, we need to observe, we need to have our own observation about the child. We go to a doctor, we tell all are the problems, then the doctor is giving them some test that is due for 20 minutes, where the doctor is a new person, child is been put into a new environment, so whatever the child exhibits will be limited. So then that observation of course gives you some result, but still you cannot go by that. Now what you have to do? You can observe your child. By what way? Take some task. First, understand what are all the ability of the child, what the child is learning, how it is learning, what method it is adopting, and which way it is very easy for the child to grasp things. These are the things you should watch in your child. Give them some task. So what task you will take? General activities, general awareness, where the child is. Is the child able to answer that? Is the child able to understand where we are? All these things you need to observe. Then you take a task, give the task. If it is not learnt by the child, then teach them. Then by that way you can also know how long a child takes to learn a task. How many days, how many times you need to teach them so that it can learn. So how many days it takes for the child to learn the particular task. Keep all this a record. Then you can understand that there is a way, there is a method you can adopt to teach your child. So you will gain little confidence by that way. The child will also slowly exhibit all its capacity which it already has. Now many children, they will not exhibit their learnt thing before you if you ask them. So you need to go as per their mood. So it is better you take the morning hours to have an observation, which will be very fruitful, because the child is from the bed, it will be very fresh and nothing would have disturbed them. So you can take the time, take a 1 hour duration, set a task, give some task to learn, give some task to retain, give some task to test. These are the ways you can use that 1 hour. Observe for not 1 day, 1 week, 10 days. 1 week, 10 days is a right time, and you will have a good duration to understand your child. By that way you can take 2 minute task and take about a month time to give all these tasks to learn, for you to learn how the child is learning. So you will get more confidence that you can gain knowledge how to handle your child, and the child will also has many capabilities. The child will also learn whatever you are giving them. So you will now have an idea as to how to bring the ability of your child out. So try the best, and whenever you are feeling low, don't talk about the problem. Don't talk about the problem in front of your child. Whatever you want your child to become, that should be your discussion in front of your child. Don't tell the problem that he is not doing this, he is not capable of this, doctor has told this. Nothing should be in front of your child. You should discuss only about positive things about your child. So when you need a solution, you should not talk about the problem. If you need a solution, you should talk about the solution. You should work the problem to get a solution. So don't discuss any negativity, don't discuss any problem in front of your child. That is the first step for you to understand, for you to take care in front of your child. So whenever you are feeling low, seek the grace of God. He is always there with you. He is always there with your child to support you by all means. He will definitely do that. Ram Ram.